Hello everyone, I'm Jack, your Chinese language guide on the internet. Today, we'll learn the most basic pinyin, the simple finals. The simple finals are single vowel. There are only 6 of them. I'll read each one first. Please repeat after me. A, O, E, I, U, U. Very good. You are probably already familiar with these letters, but be careful not to pronounce them the same way you would in English or in your native language. Alright, let's start with the first one. Again, please repeat after me. Ah, ah. When you pronounce ah, open your mouth naturally and relax your jaw, kind of like when you are at the doctor and they ask you to say ah. Keep your tongue flat and low. Ah, ah. Out of all 6 simple finals, R has the lowest tongue position. You will notice the differences as we go through them. Next, the second one, O. Please repeat after me. O, O. Okay, let's compare R and O. For R, your lips are not rounded, but for O, your lips are rounded. And for R, your tongue is low with the tip of your tongue touching your lower teeth. But for O, your tongue pulls back and raises up. Let's try them both. R, O, R, O. Great. Now the third one might sound new to you. It's like the sound you'd make if you got punched in the stomach. Do you still remember how to say O with rounded lips, tongue pulled back and raised up? O. Now keep your tongue in the same position, but relax and spread your lips into a smile like this. Please repeat after me. O. O. So, O with rounded lips and with spread lips. Both of them have the tongue at medial height and pulled back. Next is E, which is similar to the English letter E, but with your tongue raised higher. Please repeat after me. E, E. Flatten your lips, tighten the collar like a smile, and press the tip of your tongue against the back of your lower front teeth. Please read after me. E, E. Very good. The next one is U. It sounds like the U in the English word food, but with tightly rounded lips and a small opening. Your tongue shouldn't touch your teeth. Please repeat after me. U. Do you still remember O with rounded mouth, tongue raised up and pulled back? O. Now make your mouth smaller and pull your tongue further back. O. See, we are moving fast. The last one is which is new for English speakers. Please repeat after me. Okay, let's start with E. Flatten your lips and press the tip of your tongue against the back of your lower front teeth. E. Now keep your tongue in the same position, but round your lips like you are whistling. Be careful here. You need to hold your tongue position. If you relax it, it will sound like U. Again, please repeat after me. I, U, I, U. Okay, let's do a quick review before we are done. Listen, then repeat. A, O, E, I, U, U. One last T. When we type pinyin, we use A, O, E, I, U as usual. But for U, we type V instead because there's no U key on the keyboard. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Chinese learning tips and lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.